Hello everyone. In this topic, we're going to discuss like operators. Like operators, they are used for searching a specified pattern in your column. And when you search for a specific pattern, these are useful for string matching and querying the text data. Now there are two wildcards we're going to use. One is percentile and another is underscore wildcard. And then we can combine both of them to get more complex patterns, and we'll see in the next one how to get the case sensitive strings or patterns. This column describes the different wildcards. This is their description and this is example. When you are using percentile sign wildcard, it matches 0 or more characters. For example, you are using with like keyword or operator, and inside single quotation you are writing your first letter should be capital A, and after that it can be anything. So your matching strings are these one: Adam, Alice, etc. It can be anything. The second wildcard is underscore one. So it matches exactly with one character. How to use that one? You use like keyword in single quotation, you put underscore, and after that whatever the characters or character you want. Now I want here two character. First can be anything and the next one needs to be A. So with underscore sign we represented this wildcard and we got these matches. Now let's study how to combine these two together. First you write the like, and inside single quotation you are saying the first character can be anything, second needs to be A, and the last you can have one or more characters. So the matches can be cat, man, or let's say I will say MAT, mat. So you can have anything because this representing one or more character, right? Only what matters, first can be anything, second needs to be A, and this represents one or more character. Now, so mysql is by default case insensitive. If you want to make case sensitive, then you need to use binary keyword, and this binary keyword enforces case sensitivity. If you want to have exact this pattern, first letter is capital, and after that you need these small letters, and you want to have allies word, then you will write binary. You are enforcing case sensitivity here, and your column name, and after that like keyword and your pattern inside it. Now let's try to understand this with syntax. This is your employee table. You have IDs, names, department IDs, salaries. Now the syntax, you are saying all columns, select all columns from employee table, and after that you are saying where your name, this one, and after that you are using like operator, and you are mentioning the pattern. First letter should be A, and after that it can be anything. So in this name column you have only one option here, and that's allies. Let's see the results. That's how we got the only one record with this mentioned pattern. That's all for this tutorial, guys. Thank you.